Hello everyone. We know that generally aeroplanes will fly at above around 10 kilometers from Earth's surface. And we know that at 10 kilometers from the Earth's surface, temperatures of air is very low, like minus 50 degrees centigrade and all. So on Earth for comfort cooling conditions, we generally require 24 degrees centigrade and 50% RH. But if you are going at minus 50 degrees centigrade, but still why air conditioning system is used in aeroplane? Today we are going to discuss on this. So if you see at 10 kilometers, the temperatures of air will be around minus 50 degrees centigrade, and apart from this the pressure will be 0.15 atmosphere. One is like this will be an excessive cooling, and other thing is that there's a very low pressure. On Earth the pressure will be around 1 atmosphere and it's easy for us to breathe in, but if at 10 kilometers height the pressure of air is 0.15 atmosphere. And the other thing is these aeroplanes will travel with a speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. So due to this, air will be taken through small holes or nozzles which are on the wings. So at 1000 kilometers per hour, when air is entering through these small nozzles, then due to the air friction the temperature of air rises. So the rise in the temperature will take this up to minus 20 degrees centigrade from minus 50 degrees centigrade. Means an increase of 30 degrees centigrade will be seen due to this forceful entry of air, and this is technically termed as ramming of air. And apart from this, if you see, there is a lot of solar radiation at that height, and this solar radiation will also adds up for the heat load inside the aeroplane. And apart from this, the maximum capacity of any domestic aeroplane will be around 150 people. So for 150 people, even if you take 100 watts per person, then this will also add to around 8 to 10 tier of cooling. And apart from all these things, aeroplane will also have some electronic loads. So due to this electronic loads, there will be a lot of power dissipation, heat dissipation, and for this also you require cooling. And that's the reason why even at minus 50 degrees centigrade your aeroplane is still having an air conditioning system. That is one, to compensate complete all these heat loads what we have discussed, and the other thing is to pressurize the air from 0.15 atmosphere to 1 atmosphere pressure. So this is generally done with the help of air to air heat exchanging system, or air based air conditioning system, not based on any refrigerant or something else. So thank you.